गुड इव्हनिंग सर. आज आम्ही लीड केले PACL लिमिटेड कंपनी. आज ऑल गोव्यात ना म्हटलं तरी मोर दॅन 35,000 कस्टमर असा आणि लास्ट 7 years वी आर फायटिंग अगेन्स्ट द गव्हर्नमेंट टू गेट अवर मनी, बट स्टील देर इज नो एनी रिझल्ट. सो देर शुड बी mechanism to handle this situation and people should get their money back.
Have you filed any case with economic offense and all?
Already case is going on in Supreme Court. Yeah.
So come khabar now why this government, BJP government, is harassing the common man. For what reason? It is our money we had invested, and we had been through with our agents. We had been going to MLAs, MPs, their ministers, but nobody helped us. This is how the BJP government is working. He is looting the common man. Because we have already invested so many agents are there, and almost 35,000 people who had invested, but nothing works out. Even we have the judgment copies and all from the Supreme Court, but government is not working on it. It was promised that they will assurance was given to us saying that they will pay our money, but now it's already 5 years now, coming up the next election. But this is a promise. If the money doesn't come in our account by this 2023, we are not going to give all 35,000 people not going to vote anymore. Thank you. Maria Menezes.
It's very transparent because there was an order coming from the Supreme Court of India on the 2nd of August 2016, where though the case is still going on in the Supreme Court of India between PACL and SEBI, the matter is exactly this, that SEBI initiated action on this company on the simple reason that saying that this is a collective investment scheme. But the company is fighting in the court saying that it is a real estate development company. And to that extent, the CBI has tabled in the Supreme Court of India that the company's asset value is more than 1,85,000 crores. In spite of that, still the government says that it's a CIS scheme. So that's okay. But keeping that matter aside, the Supreme Court gave a clear verdict, let that continue, whether it is a CIS or a real estate investment company. But as of now, liquidate the assets and pay the people within 6 months. That was in 2016. So those 6 months have gone. Now we are in 2023. And the money is not coming. And all we can hear is, time to time, they have given us commitments that people who have money as low as 2,500 will be paid first. Then they made another slab. After another 6 months, 5,000 rupees will be paid. Then after another 6 months, they said 10,000 will be paid. But I asked all my agents and their investors. Nobody seems to have received money. But the government says it's already paid. Where is the money gone then, if it is being paid? So this is a serious matter which we need to address. And I would request all those sources, as Sir will present this matter in the assembly, that all the 40 MLAs will really voice this out together with him. Thank you.
So आज 35,000 गोंयकारांनी पैसे गेले. Close to more than 100 crores of money is lying here. आणि ये कंपनी गेले इन्वेस्ट केलोले जमीन हा. They've got a property which needs to be liquidated. They've got 2 properties out here in Goa. More than 2 properties in Goa. More than 2 properties in Goa have been invested. Besides others in other states, गोंय 2 property माय जाय गेल्यो. So यो liquidate करून या लोकांगे पैसे दिवपाक जाय. But important thing is a dialogue between these SEBI that is there. SEBI मध्ये आणि गोंयच गव्हर्नमेंटामध्ये डायलॉग कमेस करून हो पैशांचो बंदोबस्त करपाची गरज आहा. आणि हे म्हाका दिसता आज चुकलेले आहा. हो सरकाराक सद्दां हे चुकता. आणि हे चुकल ते म्हाका दिसता ताबडतोब करपाक जाय. आणि हो डिमांड हॅज टू बी फुलफिल्ड विथ अ डेडलाईन, बिकॉज दे वर गिवन एश्युरन्स बिफोर द लास्ट लोकसभा इलेक्शन जावचे पयलीं हांकां एश्युरन्स मेळ्ळी. आणि तेमगेले सगळे डॉक्युमेंट स्कॅन करून वयले पैसे दित म्हूण. पूण लोकसभा जाली ताचे फाटल्यान कांयच ना. दोगोय लोकसभा आज नॉर्थ आनी साऊथ जे कोण मेंबर आहाय ते आज पासून हो इश्यू केन्नाच वयर काडना आणि नामुणके अन्ना उलयले नाय. सो आय थिंक दे डू नॉट स्टँड अ चान्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल की आश्वासन ते दिवची या दिवची न्हू. पूण हो लोक आज आशेन रावता की बिफोर द नेक्स्ट लोकसभा तेमकां तेंगेले बँकांत पयशे येवपा जाय. झेरॉक्स व्हर कितेंय कर, तुमकां जाय तें करा, अकाउंटांत पयशे पावपाक जाय आनी ते तेंक दिसती पडपाक जाय. दिस इज द क्लियर मेसेज. अदरवायज दिस गव्हर्मेंट इज नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनीथिंग फॉर द पीपल. I think this point has to be addressed there. We will try to have a discussion over it and see how we can put it up. We just got 4 days. That's it.
पयसो तुमी दिताय फेक प्रॉमिसीस कित्याक लागून तुमी फेक प्रॉमिसीस दिताय. दुसरो म्हजो रिक्वेस्ट तुमकां, जाल्यार इतलो तेंप पसून हो गोंयचो लोक जितलो आख्खो समाम इंडियेचो लोकांनी इतलो इन्वेस्ट केला, कितें म्हूण समजून केला, कित्याक आमकां तो पयसो गरज पडलो आनी भुरग्यां वळ काडले म्हूण. So what's the point of investing this much of money when you all are given an assurance that we will get our money back? I specially come down from abroad for this meeting specially because of I have invested nearly more than 80 lakhs. It was my hard-earned money. It's not only my money, everybody's hard-earned money. We are saving so much to invest so that we can get a growth for our children, for their, for their health, everything. But इतलो तुम आमी आमचो पयसो दामून दवरला कित्याक लागून, आमकां तुमी आन्सर दिवचो.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.